The state leaders say he is a safety risk, but one man who admitted to having child porn is still on the street.
And now the case is back on a judge's docket, but the defense says he may not be fit for trial. News 13's Catherine Mazzone is here with that story that's new this morning.
I can't comment specifically on this case.
Attorney General Hector Balderas is tight-lipped about the case against 28-year-old Casey Logan.
What I can say that these type of cases do pose a risk to the community.
That is child exploitation. Casey Logan was charged with 30 counts of it, including manufacturing, distributing, and possessing child pornography. A grand jury indicted him on 2 of those. If convicted, it would have put Logan away for more than a decade and required him to register as a sex offender for life. A criminal complaint indicates Logan admitted to investigators he had a few gigabytes worth of photos and videos hidden on his computer, as well as internet chats about harming young boys. According to the AG's Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force investigation, Logan told agents he knew it was wrong, but couldn't control his addiction and wanted help. District Court Judge Brianna Zamora gave Logan conditional discharge with 5 years probation. That's no time behind bars and no requirements to register as a sex offender. As long as Logan stays out of trouble until September 21st, 2019, the charges would be dropped. Zamora also dismissed aggravated battery charges from a 2010 domestic violence case as part of the deal.
That there has to be much more accountability for this defendant.
We might actually have to get a subpoena to get some information.
This is video from a recent court hearing. Logan's case is again set to go before a judge. This after New Mexico Corrections filed a report indicating Logan violated his probation earlier this year.
This defendant does pose a safety risk, and we are moving for a revocation of probation.
According to court records, Logan has a history of social and behavioral problems due to mental illness. At the latest hearing for Logan, the defense argued he may not be fit to stand trial. Back to you, Crystal.
All right, thanks, Catherine. And we did look up that domestic violence case dismissed as part of Logan's plea. According to charging documents, Logan's parents told police he threatened his mom with a knife.